It's me, Emily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with glue. So even though, why are we waiting? Let's get started. So first, you guys would definitely need a container, something to mix with, and glue. I'll show you the rest recipes once I'm done putting the glue. So technically, how many slime you want it. So if you want a little slime, put a little bit of glue. If you want a lot of slime, put a lot of glue. So after you have your glue in, you're gonna make sure you're gonna mix it a little. You don't have to mix it, but you know what I mean. Again. Okay, now you guys are going to be getting shaving cream. It could be any type of shaving cream, but I am using this one. So if you guys want your slime to be lots of fluffy, go ahead and put lots of shaving cream. There we go, now it's working. Okay, now you guys would want to stir that up with the glue. And it won't technically just turn into slime that quick. It might look like it's turning into slime, but no. You guys have to still be waiting for a little. Keep stirring that up. Okay, after stirring that up for some few minutes, hours, whatever, you guys would want to put any decorations. You guys don't have to put decorations, but if you guys want to, you guys could put sprinkles, some food coloring, or anything you want. So you guys are gonna mix that up. You guys don't have to put all of those sprinkles and food coloring, but you know, just for fun, or it doesn't have to be basic white. Yeah. So it might look like it's done, but it's not. Look at it. So it is not done. You guys are gonna get a container of water. So let's put that in here. Okay. I'm gonna put the water. It doesn't technically have to be a lot. It just have to be a little bit of water. Okay, after putting the water, you guys are going to get some borax. Because if you guys don't put the borax, it would be sticking on you and it won't be forming. So you guys 100% have to put the borax. Even though, shout out to Selena. Okay, we'll be mixing the water with the borax. This is so hard to mix because this is a bended fork that Selena gave me. If you guys don't know who Selena is, she's part of my class. If you guys are not part of my class, you guys would technically not know who she is. God, I can't break this part. Okay. Okay, after putting your water with the borax, you guys are gonna get your slime. So move this over and get the slime. After you guys are gonna get the borax with water and dip some in. It doesn't have to be technically a lot. It doesn't have to be that much, that little. It has to be just right. And once you guys are going to be seeing that the slime is already forming. So yeah, if you guys see me at school and then you guys see me playing with slime, this is how I make it. And if you guys are not in my class, well, I'm gonna tell you what's my school's name. So my school's name is Imagine Camelback. Yeah, if you guys want to go there, tell your parents, they won't mind. And if your guys' slime is not forming yet, maybe it's because you guys didn't put borax or water. You guys could put more borax and water and keep mixing. Then look, now it's forming. Now we're talking. This is going to be so fluffy. After you guys could start mixing with your hands, go and put the spoon somewhere else. And start mixing. Guys can put the slime right in the table and put the container away. Oh, just keep sticking. If your slime keeps sticking on you, go ahead and put some more borax with water. It'll be fine, don't worry. If you guys love your slime, go ahead and subscribe, like, and yeah, see you all next time. Bye guys!